Business will writing and trusts templates. Introduction. Overview. This video will cover essential templates and guides for writing business wills and creating trusts. We will explore the importance of these documents, the steps involved, and provide templates for effective business succession planning. Learning objectives. Understand the role of templates in business will writing and trusts. Learn how to use templates to create legally sound documents. Apply templates to real-world business scenarios. What is a business will? Definition. A business will outlines how a business owner's assets, responsibilities, and ownership interests will be distributed after their death or incapacity. Purpose. To ensure smooth transition and continuity of the business. To designate successors, managers, and beneficiaries. Key elements. Business assets, ownership shares, succession planning, debt management. What is a trust? Definition. A trust is a legal arrangement where a trustee holds and manages assets for the benefit of beneficiaries. Types of trusts. Revocable trust can be altered during the business owner's lifetime. Irrevocable trust cannot be changed once set up, often used for tax and asset protection. Testamentary trust takes effect after the owner's death. Living trust, effective during the business owner's lifetime. Purpose of trusts. Asset protection, tax reduction, and business continuity. Why use templates for business will writing and trusts? Efficiency. Templates simplify the legal process and save time. Consistency. Using standard templates ensures important elements aren't overlooked. Legal validity. Templates ensure all necessary legal language and clauses are included. Cost-effective. Templates can reduce the need for expensive legal consultations, though professional advice may still be necessary. Template 1, Business Will Template Overview. Key sections of a business will template. Introduction and identification. Full name, business name, and description. Appointment of executor. Who will handle the business estate and execute the will? Business asset list. Detailed listing of assets, intellectual property, and shares. Succession plan. Designation of business heirs and successor managers. Debt and liabilities. How outstanding business debts should be managed. Dispute resolution. A process for resolving disagreements among stakeholders. Example Business Will Template, Part 1. Introduction and identification. I, your name, owner of, business name, hereby make this will on, date. Appointment of executor. I appoint, name of executor, of, address, as the executor of this will to handle all matters regarding my business estate. Asset listing. The business assets to be distributed include list of assets, such as property, intellectual property, financial accounts, and inventory. Example Business Will Template, Part 2. Succession plan. I appoint, name of successor, as the new owner of, business name. Name of successor will also assume the role of position title upon my passing. Debt and liabilities. All outstanding debts of the business, including loans, should be settled from the estate before distribution of any assets. Dispute resolution. In case of any disputes, I instruct that mediation be sought before any legal action is taken. Template 2, Trust Agreement Template Overview. Key sections of a trust agreement template. Introduction and parties involved. Details of the grantor, trustee, and beneficiaries. Transfer of assets. What assets are placed into the trust, e.g., business shares, real estate. Terms of trust. The purpose of the trust and the instructions for asset management and distribution. Trustee responsibilities. Specific duties and powers of the trustee. Distribution of assets. How and when the assets will be distributed to beneficiaries. Example Trust Agreement Template, Part 1. Introduction and parties involved. This trust agreement is made this date between name of grantor, the grantor, name of trustee, the trustee, and name of beneficiaries, the beneficiaries. Transfer of assets. The following assets are transferred to the trust. List of business assets, including all shares in, business name, real estate at, location, and intellectual property related to, business name. Example Trust Agreement Template, Part 2. Terms of Trust. The purpose of this trust is to manage and protect the business assets for the benefit of the beneficiaries, and to ensure smooth transition in the event of the grantor's death. Trustee responsibilities. The trustee shall manage the assets with the responsibility to preserve value and ensure operational continuity of the business. The trustee shall have the authority to make all necessary decisions regarding business operations. Distribution of assets. Upon the grantor's death, the assets will be distributed as follows: beneficiary names will receive, percentage of shares, real estate, etc. Key benefits of using templates. Structure and clarity. Templates provide a structured approach, ensuring that no critical elements are missed. Customizable. Templates can be tailored to the specific needs of the business owner, family, and stakeholders. Reduced errors. Templates minimize the risk of errors and legal challenges due to improperly drafted documents. Cost efficient. Reduce the need for legal fees by providing a foundation for estate planning documents. Common mistakes when using templates. Not customizing templates. Generic templates might not fully address specific business needs or legal requirements. Not reviewing regularly. Failing to update the documents as the business evolves, e.g., ownership changes, growth. Overlooking legal consultation. Templates are useful, but professional advice is crucial to ensure legal validity and compliance with local laws. How to customize templates for your business. Adapt for specific assets. Ensure the templates reflect the unique assets of your business, including intellectual property, real estate, and investments. Tailor succession plans. Customize the template to reflect your specific business succession plan, whether it's family-based or involves key employees or external investors. Consult a professional. While templates provide a solid base, working with an attorney can ensure the documents are legally sound and comprehensive. Case study: effective use of will and trust templates. Scenario: a family-owned business used the business will and trust templates to structure their estate plan after the founder's death. Implementation. Business will was customized to specify the transfer of business shares to the children and management to key employees. A trust was created to protect business assets from creditors and ensure ongoing operations. Outcome. The business transitioned smoothly with minimal disruption, and the family was able to retain control while ensuring that the business continued to grow. Key takeaways. Business will and trust templates are essential tools. Templates simplify the process of creating a business will and trust, but should be tailored to the specific needs of your business. Benefits. Templates provide structure, save time, and reduce the risk of errors, but should always be used in conjunction with professional advice. Regular updates. Ensure that your will and trust are reviewed regularly to reflect changes in business operations, tax laws, and family dynamics.